Yeah, buddy. Woo! Thanks to Noah. Alright, so I don't even know where I started recording yesterday. Had the battery tender on. So I went through everything yesterday and I saw that I didn't have a BAP. I guess kind of miscommunication from me. I didn't know the kid didn't have a BAP. Now I'm trying to figure out where I can get a BAP. It's Saturday, it's a long weekend, so it's probably not gonna happen for a couple of days. So whatever, it's fine. So we went on to it yesterday. I think I recorded parts of doing the intercooler. I don't think I mentioned we were gonna paint that, but Noah got here around noon and I thought I wanted to paint something and he said he knew where we can get some letters. So we went on to that and that took the rest of the afternoon. So it backed us up a little bit, but I like it, it's pretty cool. We're not in a hurry. I like that. Anyways, we got on yesterday and there was a mess yesterday. If I showed you the camera, kind of cleaned everything up. It's all nice and clean. Over there we have all the parts left. Over here we have the tools. And then we got the coolant, the oil filter. But right now, where are we at? So we got the pretty little unit in. Paxton Noe. We got all the piping on this side. We got the little blowout valve on. It's a tiny little one. And then got this side all the way in. Boom. We still gotta loosen this up. We have to rotate this a little bit to work with colder intake. If I would have known a little bit more about this, I would have not gotten the colder intake. I would just got a filter for here because this is gonna be a pain in the ass to fit here. Even though we kind of cut this, we cut here to make everything fit. It's gonna be a pain. We'll find out about that. We're not done routing hoses. They're kind of like all loose around here. Like we got this one. We connected it, but we haven't really like tightened down anything. We got this bottom one that goes down here into the coolant res. We haven't finished this. I had to go pick up another clamp because the clamp that came with the kit was too small to put in here. So that's kind of doubled up in there because I didn't like how it kind of sat. But we got all the coolant back in. The thermostat is back in. The bracket for the supercharger, I gotta move this. This is for the evap, this and this. All right. So I repinned this, got it connected. We put all the harness, clipped all the harness back in, all around. I still haven't figured out. Let me see where we're at. So we got injectors in, spark plugs in, everything's kind of tidy. This is a little bit loose because we still have to put the brake booster on this side. We still haven't done anything on vacuum. I went to a buddy's house, corn fed, and I saw how he ran his vacuum lines. And because this is an 18 manifold versus a stock Manny, I could just follow the video online and do the same thing. But since this is an 18 manifold, I was trying to see what he did with his, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do with ours. Like I said, today is Saturday. We have some friends visiting. I don't know if we're gonna do some of it today to finish a little bit more, or we're just gonna get in the pool, have fun with our kids and family, and deal with this tomorrow or another day since I don't have a BAP. We are going to do the vacuum lines. So this is a 17 car, has the 18 manifold. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3 ports here, all right? And then I have 2 right here on the intake pipe. All right, so here's what I did. Yeah, I got sticky notes to remember things. Anyways, I used the 3/8 hose and I tested here with the clamp. Here is the check valve with the arrow going. Oh crap, did I go the wrong way? Nope, arrow's going that way, as it should. See if I can show you. I don't know if you can see it, but arrow is pointing away from the brake booster. So flow is going this way. And here is the T for the blow valve or bypass valve. Runs under that way. And it connects right there on that first fitting. On the second fitting, I have the evap right here. It's upside down. plug is down here. Here's the evap plug that goes that way, and it's pretty sturdy there. There's no mount or anything, so it's kind of zip tied out to 3 different points. Hopefully it won't move and it won't touch this. Everybody puts it in there, so I shouldn't see any problems or anything with it. And zip tied the coolant hoses down there, and I zip tie the POV. I checked this, I angled it a little bit more. Checked everything else around. I should get the breathers in today so I can put one there and one there. I gotta figure out if I can find a longer hose and route that under here and out of weight from the engine. Final piece, VMP back. Alright, so Marty already cut up the connectors like the instructions said. It's plugged here, plugged here. We just gotta put the ground and then tape it to the wall back here. Hopefully it doesn't go in. Alright.
That's it?
Yep.
That's it?
Should be done.
Alright, so you put everything back, start chronology.
Yeah. First started with the BEP. Sucking a lot of air. Feel it?
That's a lot of air.
got? God damn.
Because I loaded their one that they sent me for the other time.
God damn it! We need the fucking wheels and tires. They go over fucking spin.
Yeah.
Sucks.